I got a 71-year-old girlfriend now.
My dad found the 70-year-old girlfriend.
Right.
I found that.
You found her for me.
Well, I found her for you. And I found an 83-year-old. You see how I got the girls barking?
Yeah. Girls barking now. What is this?
Do. I want to get one of them things home. What's up, G? What's up, G?
Oh, this breeze feels good.
They do.
Yes, Bahamas is dope.
It is dope. It really is.
Yeah, I can't tell you a lie why that little boy was my tour guide.
Yeah, why? Yeah. Wait, Chet, the real question is, why did my dad have a 7-year-old as a tour guide? What?
You good, bro? You go
Oh, don't. Bahamas is so beautiful, Chet.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Can't y'all see?
Yeah, you good.
Let me show y'all boys the Bahamas.